How's it going, guys? It's Jack with Cuts Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a network card just like this one. So to install your network card, you're going to first look in the back of your computer, and you will see that there's this little panel here that keeps hold of your GPU and basically stuff you put back in this panel. So first, you're going to unscrew it, which I've already loosened it for the demonstration purpose. Panel off, you're going to make sure that you've taken this out of the slot and unhooked it. So now you can just, with little force, pull it on out. Make sure it's safe too, and make sure you're not making sure there's not a cable going into it. So you can just freely bring your GPU on out. I'm using on a smaller case, so it's kind of hard to see what's going on. Now, do you see these two slots down there? You'll see your PCI Express, and then these two little ones. What you're going to do is that you're going to slide your network card into one of these. I'm using this one because my GPU is covering the other one. Slide it on in there, and then going to grab your GPU, mine, right here, and we're going to also slide that back in. And keep in mind, for some computers, if you have more room, you might not need to uninstall your GPU. You could just be able to slide it on in there, but for a smaller case like this and a smaller motherboard, I would recommend just going in there and uninstalling it so that you can have more room and so that you don't accidentally clip the other. Alright, making sure that that's settled in there, we are going to now grab the screws. They should have come with your computer case, but some network cards come with one. You're going to see that there is two areas you need to secure this. If it's not secured, it will not run properly. Now that you've installed your GPU, what you're going to do is you're going to put your panel right here back on, and I'm going to cut to once I got that done. We have that on. We're going to grab our screws that we use to take out the GPU. Keep in mind that sometimes this will come in your case, or it could come in your card. Usually I got mine from the case and I saved that. If you do get a new computer case, I would recommend saving all the screws just in case you want to do some upgrades in the future. But usually, or not usually, sometimes your card will come with an extra screw. So we're going to just go on in there and screw those both in. I'll cut to when I'm done. Now that we have that installed, we're going to stand our computer up. It might be hard to see, except on the back of your computer, you got it right down here. What you're going to do next is you're going to see two golden slots right down there. You just go on and screw your antennas on in. Now that we have those antennas installed, we are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry because I'm dubbing over an original clip that I had to cut because the audio was horrible. But remember, after you installed your card, you're going to want to look up the drivers. You can either use some software that finds the drivers for you, or you can use a CD that some of them come with. I don't have a CD drive, so I just go to their website and get their drivers. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like or comment what you want us to do in the future, or tell us what you liked about this video, or tell us what to improve on, because we're always trying to get better. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.